If you are a beginner and you want to start a journaling, then I provide you 4 steps of journaling. I personally follow. These 4 steps help you to become a more focused, clamor, and it provide you high level of self-awareness. First, gratitude. You write down things you are grateful, like I am grateful for my life and like this. Second, emotional check-in. How do you feel? You honestly check in yourself what you feel, like anxious, confused, happy, and you break down your emotional pattern and you write down like this. Third, solve with self-compassion. If there is any problem you are dealing with, how could you fix it or address it? You write down your thoughts and it provide you a high level of self-compassion and love yourself. Fourth, daily affirmation. You write down affirmation that you need today. Whatever comes to your mind, like I'm strong, I'm confident, and like this. Try these 4 steps one a week and you notice how your mindset begin to change.